How I make over $5,000 a day passive income from selling boring stuff. I just got this payment today. You can tell here it's from soap, literally soap. Everyone wears soap. Well, mostly everyone wears soap. And this right here, you can tell this is an affiliate payment. So I made this soap. I didn't actually make the soap. It's not like I got some secret fight club in my garage and I'm like,
as the fat renders, the tallow should float to the surface, like in Boy Scouts.
Making this soap and selling it. Someone else is making the soap. I'm just sending people to the soap and I make money through a commission. And that essentially is affiliate marketing. It's absolutely amazing. And the craziest thing, most people when they think about affiliate marketing, they think about like really, really competitive spaces like fitness and health or being an affiliate for the make money online space. And that's a whole nother problem we can talk about later. If you are an affiliate for weird niches.
What?
Where there's not that much competition, where if you have a marketer's brain, you're promoting against other people who don't really know marketing, you can make a lot of money. And it works just like this. Have you ever gone to Google and typed in a question, what are the best soap out there made with natural ingredients? Well, it's these types of niche searches that are actually money-making opportunities. So you'll see right on this search, all of these different products and ads. And the very first one here is from Dr. Squatch, a very popular soap maker. I may or may not be an affiliate of Dr. Squatch. Hint, hint. So click on this ad and you typically go to a landing page. Just by clicking on that link, I'm now cookied, meaning that website is now tracked me as a referral if I was the advertiser for that specific ad. When you do affiliate marketing, there's too much risk involved in just sending an ad click straight to the product. Because if I did go and buy, yes, I would make a commission if this was my ad. Most consumers aren't like that. We typically are not just like knee-jerk reaction, click something and buy, click something and buy. We need education, we need nurturing, we need to learn more about the product. So what we do instead is something like this. We create a listicle. A listicle is typically a blog that has many different info or facts in a condensed and concise way that's easy to consume. For example, 7 all-natural soaps safe for your skin and the planet. The number 7, I don't know what it is about it, but 7, we all want to get triple sevens. You want 7 things, 7 listicles, 7 facts, 7 reasons. It's lucky number 7. So whenever you create a blog listicle like this, use the number 7 to include 7 things. Now here's where things get interesting. In the 7 different listicles that you're including, you make it pretty, you make it informative, you make it educational, and guess what? You insert 7 different affiliate links. And each one of these affiliate links, when you click, you go to then the product's website, and that is an affiliate link click. You get cookied as a referrer. The customer is now more nurtured. They have now consumed content and now they're maybe ready to make a purchase, and they actually may buy all the recommendations you have because they want to test. And each time they click and buy, as long as you're taking them to a good offer page, there's an opportunity for them to purchase and you to make a commission. These soaps here, they cost 12 bucks. So even if your commission is 10%, you're making basically $1 every time someone buys. You can't get rich quick doing this, but what you can do is build emails, have the ads get paid for by the commissions you make, and then over long term, it can build and compound. Where in one day, like myself, I've made over $5,000 from selling a variety of soaps. That didn't happen day 1, month 1, or even year 1, but I've been now selling soap for over 5 years. I'm quite the connoisseur of soaps, if you will. And now I can make a lot of money doing it because I've been in the game long enough. So if anything, get started now. Sell soaps, sell whatever. Get started is the whole point. So I admit I probably made this look easier than it seems. And there's a lot to learn. You gotta learn about how to build a website, how to build a landing page, how to create an ad, what great content looks like. A lot of information, but I can help. If you're enjoying my free YouTube videos, they're great. I'm putting a lot of energy into them, but I have a place that's better My #1 course for beginners, meant for someone who has not made $1 online and definitely no more than $1,000. If that sounds like you, make sure you go to brambilamethod.com. Affiliate marketing, selling physical products is how I make most of my money today. So if that is any interest of you, make sure you go to that website or check out the info box below with links. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing or soap, comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching. This is Adrian. Peace. God bless.